How to fix controller not working in COD Mobile. Let's get started. Today we are diving into a common issue faced by many gamers, controllers not working in COD Mobile. Don't worry, we have got you covered with a guide. So let's jump right in. First things first, ensure that your controller support is enabled. Head over to settings by clicking on the clock icon in the top right corner. Navigate to the controller settings and make sure enable controller support is ticked. It's a simple step but often overlooked. If enabling controller support didn't do the trick, it's time to reconnect your controller. Close COD Mobile completely to avoid any issues. Access your Bluetooth settings. Forget the device if it's already connected. Then put your controller into pairing mode. Once it's flashing, reconnect it. Easy, right? Moving to our next solution. Sometimes an outdated game version can cause compatibility issues with controllers. Click for updates in your App Store. If there is an update available for COD Mobile, go ahead and install it. This could fix your need. It's essential to ensure that our controller is compatible with COD Mobile. Check the manufacturer's instructions or search online for compatibility information. Using an incompatible controller can lead to issues that are hard to resolve. Last but not the least, let's test it out. Launch COD Mobile into a game and test if your controller is not functioning properly. If everything's working as it should, you are good to go. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. And there you have it, our complete troubleshooting guide for fixing controller issues in COD Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.